People used to say that cracking your knuckles would give you arthritis. But what is actually making that loud popping sound?
Inside your joints, you have a lubricant called synovial fluid, like engine oil. When you bend your finger back, you pull the bones apart, stretching the space between them. This creates a sudden drop in pressure. Gases dissolved in the fluid instantly rush together to form a bubble, which then collapses.
It takes about 20 minutes for the gas to dissolve back into the fluid so you can crack it again. And no, it does not damage the bones or cause arthritis.